Ladies and gentlemen, ChatGPT o3-mini is out. I've got my hands on it. I also subscribe to o1 Pro, so I'm going to give you a quick comparison with a coding prompt, and you can compare the outputs. And I've already done it for you. It is mind-blowing. The reason why I say it's mind-blowing is first off, I'm going to use a really big prompt. This prompt is designed to work with data that's in a Google Sheet, and then we are going to take the code that ChatGPT gives us, and we use what's called Google Apps Script, which is basically JavaScript, and they have a really easy way to deploy it, and then you can build a front end super quick within that. And so I have this prompt to work with the data. Just so you know, this is what the data looks like. It's some fake student data about tardies. Don't worry, these are not real students. This is fake. Again, don't use real data when you're working with an LLM. Definitely don't put student data into an LLM. Okay, now I went to ChatGPT. I selected o3-mini high, supposedly a little bit better coding. I copy and pasted that prompt in. It spit me out the code.js, which is basically a JavaScript file that runs Google scripts, Google Apps script to be more specific, and then an index.html file. And in case you've never used Google Apps script, in the Google Sheet you're in, you go to extension, then you click Apps script, and it will launch this view up here. And then you have your files that you can create just by clicking the plus icon. And I have a code.js, and then I have my front end file, the index.html. I went ahead and just pasted the code right from here. o3-mini took about, I think, a little less than 2 minutes to generate the code. And the reason why this is crazy is o1 Pro, I went downstairs, got a snack, gave my boy some food, then I came back up and it still wasn't done. So I don't know how many minutes it took, probably like 10. So, and it gave me this code. And I don't know why it did this, but it wanted me to, I split it apart myself or use this other function. So I went ahead and just split it into a code.js and an index.html manually. So same query, two different models, same data, and then you paste it in here, and this is what it looks like. And this is the o3-mini version. And then over here, you will see what it came up with. It's awesome. It works. So it's of course not going to change the world in terms of user experience, but it works. We want to see data by student. Let's say we just want to do a custom date range. Let's say January 2nd to January 15th. Load data. And then important would be when you have here alphabetical, I want to just see by total tardies. Boom, done. It works. Minimum tardies. Let's get rid of everyone who doesn't have at least 3 tardies. Again, you can read my prompt to see what this is sort of doing. And we have the ability to sort of ascending versus descending. If I did another reprompt, I would probably tell it, hey, let's spell the whole word out. I would clean this up and make it look a little better. But here's the thing. There was no debugging. There were no errors. It just works. o1 Pro gave me code that looks like this. And it doesn't work. And I click on by student. It's not working. Now I love o1 Pro because I know to deal with how to deal with its quirks, and I'd go back in and I'd reprompt and I'd issue some demands, fix it. This doesn't work. o3-mini did it in 1/5 the time, and it works the first time. It's nuts. Go try it out. spend the $20, buy ChatGPT Plus, go USA, ChatGPT, American made, still the best. Amazing.